Hello, and welcome to CIT 105, Introduction to Computers. This is your course tour or walkthrough video of the course. When you click on the course in Blackboard and come into the course, you're going to notice that the course looks a little different from other courses that you may be in or may have had. This course is in the newest version of Blackboard called the Ultra version. You will notice there are icons in the upper right-hand corner. The first icon is the current icon that you're on and it defaults to, which is the content icon. This is where you'll spend the bulk of your time in going through the course. The second icon is the calendar icon. This icon allows you to see calendar items, whether you have it on your schedule or you can look to see if you have due dates. You can also do by day or by month. The third icon is the discussions icon. This takes you to any discussions that may be in the class. In the content area, you will come across these discussions as you're working through each learning module, and you are encouraged not to jump ahead. The fourth icon is the gradebook. This is where you'll see all the items that are required for the course. If there is a due date, you'll also see your score once the item has been graded, and you'll also see any feedback that your instructor may have left for you. The last icon is the messages icon. This is where you'll see messages that you send to others in the class or to your instructor. Now let's go back to the content icon. On the main screen, you'll see to the left something called Details and Actions. Let's go over the items in this area. First, you'll see the roster. This is where you can view everyone in your course. If your class has live classroom sessions, this is where you will join those sessions. The attendance, if your instructor takes attendance, this is where you will be able to view your attendance. Also, once announcements are posted in the course, you will be able to see them here in the announcements area. When you come into your course and if a new announcement has been posted, it will pop up in the middle of your screen. You may also get an email with the announcement. The Books and Tools area. You will not be using the Books and Tools area for this particular course, so you can ignore this item. And then OneDrive. This is where you can connect to your KCTCS OneDrive through Office 365. You'll see mention of the Office 365 in the course introduction and overview area. But it allows you to connect to your online storage area where you can store files for this and other courses. Now let's get to the course content. The course content area is where you will spend the most of your time. You will see learning modules, in this case units, as well as a course introduction, the course pretest, and down at the bottom a resources and other information. You will begin in the course introduction and overview learning module. You will notice to the right of each of the learning modules there's a down arrow. These learning modules allow you to expand and condense the items that are contained within each learning module. Click on Course Introduction and Overview. This will allow you to see the items in the Course Introduction and Overview area. This includes the instructor welcome, and this is where you will find the instructor's information such as contact information. The Course Tour area is where you will see this video. Syllabus is where the course syllabus will be, and then you'll also see information about accommodations, computer requirements and support, basic how-tos, and netiquette guidelines. Make sure you go through each of the areas in the course introduction and overview area. Then you will want to complete the introduction and syllabus quiz. This quiz is over the different areas in this area. This is also considered your no-show assignment or attendance assignment that you need to complete within the first week of class. Then you will go to the Introduce Yourself discussion board and you will introduce yourself. This allows you to introduce yourself to other students and the instructor in the class. This is where you will want to mention the town and county that you are from, your major and career plans, and something fun you like doing outside of class, and any other information that you may want to provide. Then once you have this learning module completed, you can condense this learning module and go to the pre-test. The course pre-test allows you to test out of this course. If you have enough knowledge and background, you can take the course pre-test. If you score 90% or above on the course pre-test, you will be taken to the course post-test or the Credit for Prior Learning Test or CPL test. If you score 90% on the CPL test, you are completed with the class and you will receive a grade of A and you're done for the semester in this course. If you do not score above a 90% on the pretest, you will go on to Unit 1 and begin work. You can bypass the pretest and go straight to Unit 1 and begin work. But once you start completing items in Unit 1, you cannot come back and complete the course pretest. Each unit is set up the same way. When you click on Unit 1, you will see a unit lesson, assignments, a reflection essay, and unit quiz. This is the same format in each learning module with the exception of Unit 5. Unit 5 has 4 sub-lessons to cover the computer applications within that learning module. And that includes word processing, which you will have a lesson, an assignment, and a quiz. And then you will have that for the remaining 3 sub-lessons, one for spreadsheets, one for databases, and one for PowerPoint or presentation software. Then you will still have the reflection essay and unit quiz. And as I said, each lesson is basically set up the same way. And if there are resources that are across the units that are mentioned, you will be directed to those. If you have any questions throughout the semester, please make sure to contact your instructor. And have a great semester.